Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add bookings to Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and click on this page drop down and select the specific page in which page you want to add booking. Now we have to add Wix Bookings app first. So in this left hand menu, click on add apps. And then you will directly jump into Wix app market. Here, click on the search apps box and type here Wix Bookings and search for it. And this is the actual app we are going to use. So go ahead and add this Wix Booking app into your Wix site. Once it's added, now in this left hand menu, click on add elements. And here scroll down and click on bookings. And as you can see, Wix booking installing, and as you can see, I've successfully added book now or booking in my Wix website. And here we can see bunch of random services. And now if you want to add booking calendar, all you have to need, click on this add elements, and here click on bookings and click on calendar, or you can select daily agenda calendar from here. So let's add this booking calendar. I'm selecting this calendar and let's add the calendar in our Wix section. And here we can see the booking calendar add date. And now to customize the calendar, select the calendar and click on manage services. And here you will find random booking services. If you want to start from scratch, just click here and click on service type drop down, and here you can select appointment, class or course. And in this name box, write here your service name. Here add your service tagline. You can add a cover image to your service by clicking on this plus icon. Add here your service descriptions, select duration, buffer time, and you can add here price and payment, and you can add location here, and just customize your service details here and click on booking preferences. And here you will be able to customize booking preferences and just click on save, and then your service will be added in this booking calendar section. Now select the booking calendar and click on settings, and here click on layout, and you will be able to change your booking calendar layout. You can change your calendar alignment, go to display, and here you can enable or disable show from header from here, and you can also adjust these settings and go to design section. Here you will be able to customize styles, text selections, and go to text, and from here you will be able to customize your booking calendar header text, date and time text, service details, book now button text. So this is how we can add booking to our Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.